Question. Describe repair of rail fracture. Answer. Rectification of rail fractures. Equipment required for repair of rail fracture. 1. 1 meter long fish plates with screw clamps and joggled fish plates with bolted clamps. 2. Steel tape capable of reading up to 1 mm. 3. Aluminothermic welding and finishing equipment. 4. Equipment for distressing. 5. 6.5 meter long sawn rail cut piece of the same section as LWR duly tested by USFD. 6. Rail closures of suitable lengths. 7. Equipment for protection of track. 8. Equipment for night working. Procedure for repairs of rail fracture. If any fracture takes place on LWR or CWR, immediate action shall be taken by the official who detected the fracture to suspend the traffic and to protect the line. He shall report the fracture to the gangmate keyman PWI, who shall arrange for making emergency repairs to pass the traffic immediately. Repairs of rail fracture shall be carried out in 4 stages as described below. A. Emergency repairs to pass the traffic immediately. B. Temporary repairs. C. Permanent repairs. D. Distressing. Emergency repairs of rail fracture. The fractured rails shall be joined by using arrangements. If the gap at fracture does not exceed 30 mm, insertion of any closure rail piece is not necessary. The traffic may then be resumed at a speed of stop dead and 10 km/h for the first train and 20 km/h for subsequent trains. Temporary repairs of rail fracture. If a welding party is not easily available, the fracture shall be repaired by using a cut rail, not less than 4 meter long, and clamped or bolted as per arrangement. 1. A traffic block shall be taken as soon as possible, preferably when the rail temperature is within the range specified. 2. A. 2 points on either side of the fracture shall be marked on the rail such that the length of closure failed to inserted is equal to the total length of the rail pieces removed from the track minus allowances for 2 welds and saw cut, normally 51 mm. B. Alternately 2 points on either side of the fracture shall be marked on the rail at a distance equal to the length of the available closure rail. The length of closure rail should not become less than 6 meter at the time of permanent repairs. 3. The rails shall then be cut through at these points simultaneously, if possible. The closure rail shall then be inserted and joined. After joining, the traffic shall then be resumed at restricted speed in accordance with Annex 3. In case closure rail as per above is inserted, one of the joints may have to be provided with closure piece of adequate width and joined by 1 meter fish plate and clamps. Permanent repairs of rail fracture. 1. After temporary repair, the joints are welded and speed is relaxed. Thanks for watching video.